Alright y'all, what is happening? We got here my 93 Mazda B2200. We got some new parts in for it. Nothing crazy, just the first two mods I'm gonna do to it. I'm gonna unbox them, let y'all check them out. Alright, first parts we got right here. These are gonna be my corner lights that are amber delete, so they'll be clear instead of amber. Those will go right there. And these also a LED upgrade. And then the second one are going to be my clear LED turn signal lights that go at the bottom, and these are also an LED upgrade. These will go down there. Those are clears, but they have an amber bulb, whereas the new style is going to come with a clear LED.